What's up, guys? I got out here a new CJRB utility knife Breeze, model number, steel blade, black steel handle. Okay, made in China, but I really love this brand. High quality tool right here. So CJRB. There looks like some kind of wrench over here, or also lanyard hole. It actually comes with the lanyard. That's it. Cool. And so there's a little screw to lock and unlock. Looks like it's easy to do. So it's probably to replace it. Okay, let's tighten it back up. That's pretty cool design. There's also some kind of couple inches measuring tools. So I will have to unlock it every time to go through. Okay, throughout the workday I don't have to unlock it all the way. So make it tighter, make it looser, and lock it all the way to where it's not going to open. That is so cool. I love the notches right here. 1, 2. There's actually 3. No, that's it. 1, 2, 3. For some reason I thought there was more. Also, let's see. Yeah, it is pretty nice to grab it right here. A little learning curve. I can push it onto the bottom, or I can push it at the edge. Both ways is nice and easy. And also I could lock it all the way so it doesn't close by mistake. So I do like that easy locking mechanism. If I'm working a long time on cutting something, I can lock it and it's not going to slide back down on me. And then I can loosen it and lock it back up for safety. Or if I'm kind of working opening boxes, slide it open, open the box, slide it back up for safety, take the stuff out from the box, and then get another box, open it up, slide it open. Overall, very good tool. I like it. And very unique locking mechanism. Looks like a bottle opener of some sort right here as well. Yeah, definitely a bottle opener right here. Let's see how do we remove the utility blade. Okay, so opens up like that, comes off that little piece, and then it will slide out all the way. And looks like the blade is actually becoming really popular. I see multiple brands designing utility knife with the 2 holes needed. So I will flip this over, so it will be very common blade for a long time, I feel like. And then the screw right here will go, I'm not sure, I guess the second one, yeah, that's where we want it at. And the top of the screw will just, so interesting, wait, I just mixed it up. There you go. The screw will go on this side, and the button will be flat right here with this little like pins in there. And we're going to line it up with the pin, and then flip it over and screw it back on. Not the fastest, to be honest, not the fastest way to replace the blade, but still very nice. At least it's a really good safety to where it's not going to slide out, and then do a half a turn, and then it's spinnable, and then lock it all the way, and it's much harder. So really spin it hard and it will not come out. That's awesome. I really love unique utility knife and new inventions. Super cool. Can't wait to see what else they're going to improve and invent with the utility blades, like everyday carry ones.